Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, and today I am going to show you how to make your lips pretty with pastel color. We're going to start with simple color, purple. This is RK by Kiss Matte Lip Lacquer or Lacquer, and this is in the color Wonderland. Pretty nice purple, but it's a little bit too bright for my taste. So what we're going to do, we are going to make it dark, pretty, and luscious. With the help of my berry ice spray. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to start with some berry ice. Melody colors. Then we're going to do it with the Wonderland. Right in the middle. It looks so pretty. Now I'm going to take berry ice, put it on top. Now we're going to mix. To reapply the Wonderland, it's pretty simple. We're going to take it bottom one swatch. We'll do. And then we're going to do the top too. And I like the final results, but we're not close from being done. We're going to take some Nicka K here. Take that little purple that I like. And we're going to just darken it just a bit. Just a tad. Just a tad. Then we're going to take a blush. Oh, this blush is coming out so pretty. Just a little bit. And now we're going to close this up and mix. No back and no left and right, just dust this bad boy off. And that's how you make purple love again. That's the results. They did a pretty good job. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't feel like getting up. Turn notifications on. Click the notification bell to be notified of all my videos. And I will see you all next time. Oh, I gotta do it the proper ending way. Bye.